Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium gestures using W3C Actions API series, okay, in this video we will see how to perform double tap gesture on a element by calculating the center of the element and on mobile screen by fetching the x and y coordinates on the screen. Okay, see what is a double tap. See, double tap is nothing but two quick taps on the screen. Okay, just we are clicking two taps on the screen quickly. Okay, that is known as a double tap. Okay, now in this video we will perform two different will demonstrate double tap by using two different examples. That is, first one we are perform on the API demos. Okay, go to views and controls, dark theme, then we click on this checkbox. Quickly we can perform two taps, select and unselect. Okay, this is one of the example. Do it on the element. Another one is I will double tap on this YouTube icon so that it will open the YouTube. Okay, this is based upon the x and y coordinates of the screen. Okay, so these two scenarios will automate. Okay, now I will quickly open the my Eclipse. Okay, and I create one class under demos package there, double tap demo. Okay, so we need to create the setup and tear down. Instead of creating once again, I just copy from the existing one so that you can save the time. Okay. Just provide here, copy here, and just we need to do some modifications. So we need to change the class name and we have to remove this package name. Okay. And we need to change the class name here. Okay, yeah, so our setup and tear down methods are ready. Okay, now the first scenario, okay, we need to click on the element, right? So we'll create one test annotation and method public void I say double tap test 1. Okay, yeah, so what I need to do, see, first of all I need to open this app, right? Okay, what I will do, I will use driver dot activate app. Okay, and I need to provide the package name of that app. So already I copied this one, so this is the package name of the app. So now I am opening the app. Okay, now my app is open. Now I need to, my app is open. Now I need to click on views, controls, dark theme, and I need to click on, I need to double tap on this one. Okay, so already I have copied the locators for this one. Okay, these are the locators and locate type is accessibility ID. Okay, just paste here and we write the code driver dot find element appium by dot locate type is accessibility ID, and we are clicking on this views. Okay, so we have three stages for navigation, right? So we copy here quickly. Okay, and we will provide the values here, locator values. This is for views, and next one is control, and next one is dark theme. Okay, and now other one. Okay, I need to copy here once again. Yeah. Okay, I not perform any action here, so I'll give as check box 2, and I will use WebDriver element. Okay, now I need to calculate the center of the element so that I can click on this here. Double tap. I'll do double tap here. So I want the center. I need to calculate the center of the element. Okay, so for that one I need to fetch the x-axis value, y-axis value, and the width and height of this one. Okay, so that I can calculate the center of this element. Okay, now we say ALD. Okay, now I use get rectangle. Okay, this method I can able to fetch the x-axis and y-axis and width and height of this element. Okay, the x-axis and y-axis is calculated from this top left corner. Okay, and width and height of this element. Okay, so get rect. So I need to get the x-axis. So get x, and return type is int. I say int x. Okay, and now I need to get the y. So int y coordinate, I need to get the value of y coordinate. So get y axis. Okay, now I got the x and y coordinate. The same thing I need to get the width. So get dot width, right? I am using this method. Okay, get width method, and int height. Okay, dot get right dot get height. So I got all these 4 parameters: x-axis value, y-axis value, width and height of the element. Now I need to calculate the center of the element. Okay, so I am using point. Okay, it says center of the element. Okay, because we are using this parameter in our gesture. Okay, so I say new point. Okay, and x plus x is width by 2. Okay, and this thing I need to convert into int. Now I got the x value and I got the y value. That means center of width. Okay, now I say y plus height by 2. Okay, these two I need to convert in int. Okay, what I am doing here, see, I got the x value and y value, right? X, y coordinate value, right? Means this top corner, x and y values of this top corner, width by height. So I am dividing the width by 2, so that plus x means it will come to here, and same by height, y plus height means y axis. See, this is the x axis, that is the width is the x axis, this is the y axis. Okay, height. So x plus width by 2 and y plus height by 2 means this point will come, this point here, center of this element. Okay, so this is the way to calculate the center of the element. My center of the element is done. Now I am using pointer input. So I need input source, right? That is the virtual finger I need to create. So I say pointer input class index finger. Okay, instead of using finger 1, finger 2, I use index finger. I provide the name. Okay, new. So I had to use one constructor called input pointer input and the kind is a enum here, and the value I had to provide touch, and here I need to provide the name the finger, that is index finger. Okay, now my input source is created, that is the virtual finger is created, that is index finger. Now I have to use sequence class. Okay, and I say sequence new. I had to use this constructor called sequence input source and initial length. So the input source is index finger, and I provide the initial value as 0. Okay, done. Okay, so in my words you can say the sequence holds like a container all these actions performed by my index finger. Okay, now I say sequence dot add action method. Okay, index finger dot, so I need to move my finger on this element, right? Okay, to click on, double click on this one, right? I need to move my finger on this center of the element, right? So what I will do, I'll use this method called create pointer move offset. I had to use, okay, use offset, point offset. So this is the point. Okay, this method I'll use. So duration will be dot 0 because I'm moving my finger on this element. Okay, so and here the screen, so I had to provide the pointer input dot origin dot viewport, means this is the screen, okay, viewport. Okay, and then I need to provide the center of the element. This is the offset, this is a point type. Okay, now my finger is in this position. Here is my finger now by using this line. Okay, now I need to touch the screen, right? So I use sequence action add action, sorry, I need a dot, right? And dot add action. So index finger, the input source name, that is the index finger dot create, sorry, index finger, yeah, okay. Index finger, so I need to touch the screen, right? So I use create pointer down. Okay, here I need to provide pointer input dot mouse button dot left dot has org, so that my finger will touch the screen, that is that element. Okay, now one more, yeah. So my finger is touching the screen, that is the element here. Okay, now I need to wait, right? I need to wait for some time. Okay, so then what I will use, sequence dot add action dot index finger, sorry, I had to use new class, so I need to wait, right? I need to pass. Okay, pass, I had to use this method, pass input source and duration. So input source is index finger and duration, I say duration dot millis of millis, I give 100. Okay, 100 millis. Okay, so I'm just waiting for 100 milliseconds here. Okay, and then after, see, my finger is touch the screen here, right? That is the element. Now I need to lift my finger. So sequence dot add action index finger dot I need to lift my finger here. So create, which method I will use? Create pointer up. Okay, and here also I need to get pointer input dot mouse button dot left dot has arc. Okay, so this till this line it is a single, this is a single tap. Okay, this is a single tap. I need to quickly provide two taps, right? So once again I had to pass my finger. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, now once again I had to down, once again I had to press it down. Okay, down, then I need to down, right? This one, this one I have to copy. Okay, down, then I had to wait for some more time here. Okay, so I give the pass here, and then I had to lift it. Okay, I have pressed down, right? I had to lift my finger. Okay, so first one I am just pressing the screen, that is touching the screen, and I am waiting for 100 milliseconds here. Then I am lifting my finger. Once again I am touching, waiting for some time, and just touching the screen and wait for some time and lifting. These are quick double taps. Okay, now my code is ready for doing for quick double taps here. So I need to use driver dot perform method. So perform method. Okay, I use collections dot singleton, and I had to provide the sequence here so that I can perform these actions. See what I am doing it. I created a virtual finger of index and I created one container like, so that all these finger actions are stored in this sequence container. Okay, and then I am using a perform method, okay, and collection to singleton, so that this all actions will perform as a single JSON unit. You will send to this one to the Appium server. Okay, so this all these actions will perform as a single unit, that is first in first out. The first this will do this one, next will do this one, that is the first in first out. Okay, now my code is ready for performing the on the element. Okay, now I need to do one more thing. I need to click on this one, right? So this code is ready. I need to click on this YouTube, right? So I need to create one more test here. So what I will do, I just copy this one. So one more test I need to create. Okay, now I say I will do priority here. First I need to perform this one. So priority 1. Okay, and here I will do priority 2, so that I can execute in sequence. Okay, so 2. I need to change this one as. Okay, now I not need all this one because we are touching the screen, not this one. So I will use this one. See, I open this app, right? So I need to close also. Okay, so I use one driver dot command terminate. By using terminate app, I am closing this app. Okay, so just copy this package name. I need to provide the package name for terminate app method. Okay, so what I will do, I will do some dead dot sleep so that we can see while running the script, and I can able to explain also, so we get some time. So I give milliseconds wherever it possible. I provide it. So I add throws to the method. So here also I provide it. after opening the app, we get some time to discuss also. So here now, after terminating, I want wait for some time. Okay, and next I need to click on this one. So here I had used offset, right? I have used this offset here. Okay, I use this offset because I am providing the x and y coordinates of the element, center of the element. Okay, now I need to provide the x and y coordinate of this icon, right? So based upon this screen x and y coordinate, and click on this one. Okay, so how we get the x and y coordinates? Okay, I have opened this Appium inspector. Okay, and see, in Appium inspector, if I want this x and y coordinates of this icon, so I need to click on this one, that is tap swipe by coordinates. Okay, now you can able to see here. Now you cannot see the x and y coordinates, right? If I select this option, I can able to see x and y coordinates. Now I want to click the screen on this icon by using x and y coordinates. So when I move my cursor on this icon, it will provide the x and y coordinates. So here it is. Yeah, so 11, x is 1144, and y coordinate value is 1926. Okay, 1926. Okay, and now I will enter this value here. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove this one. This method I will change here. So I say create pointer move. So previously we have used this point offset, right? Now I want to use this method with this parameter in x, that is value of x coordinate, and value of y coordinate. Okay, so I said duration dot 0, because I'm moving the finger there, and I need to provide the pointer input dot origin dot viewport. Okay, and I need to provide the x and y values here. What is my x and values is the y x value is 1144 and 1926. Okay, so we got it from here. And throws here. Okay. Okay, based upon this x and y coordinates of the screen, I am clicking on the icon. Okay, so I will open the, yeah, see, based upon this x and y coordinates, I am clicking on this YouTube icon. Okay, this is our second example. Okay, so based upon this x and y coordinate axis, I have to double tap on this YouTube icon, double tap. Okay, so that it will open this YouTube. Okay, now coming back to our script, so we just check. Okay, here I'll provide I want to print in console, right? I say out says double tap on the checkbox. So then print this one in the checkbox. Double tap on the checkbox. Here I say as double tap on the YouTube icon. Okay, which is on the home screen. Okay, same thing. I'll comment here. So this code is for double tap on the screen on the YouTube icon. Okay, same thing. I provide the comment here. Okay, the first one, okay, the first test is to click on, okay, the checkbox double tap I had to do, double tap I had to do it. Okay, the second one I had to do a double tap on the YouTube icon. Okay, yes, we'll just go through. Yes, yeah. Okay, yeah, so my script is ready now. My Appium server is running. Yes, Appium server is running. I'll close the Appium server and restart my Appium server here. So yeah, let's clear it and I'll restart my Appium server. Yes, my Appium server is ready. And I'll just check the app is now. App is there. Now I'll click on run. Okay. Running the board here. So first it has to open the API demos app. It has to click on the views, then controls, then dog theme, double tap. You see the screen here. See, double tap, I did it on the checkbox. The first test is pass. So I need to terminate, that means close the app, API demos app. Now I have to click on this YouTube. See, double tap and YouTube. Okay, yeah. So our both tests are passed. So we have did double tap on the element by calculating the center of the element. Okay, and now in second test we have double tap on the YouTube icon, calculating the x and y coordinates of the screen. Okay, so this is the way we can able to do double tap, okay, on the element on the screen. So if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.